Hello dear students. So I'm here to explain the JOSAA business rules, and to make it very clear and very lucid, I plan to break down the entire module, the brochure, the information brochure of the business rules into various chapters, and I will cover those chapters one by one. So let's start with chapter 1, and that is what are the entities involved in this process. Okay, so let me talk about those entities. So the entities are, we can start by the colleges. What are the colleges that are involved? So the IITs are involved, a total of 23 are there. NITs are involved, 31 NITs are there, and there is one IIEST. Okay, that is also equivalent to an NIT. It is always counted as one of the NIT, although it is not formally named as an NIT, but whenever we take the name of NITs, the IIEST name always appears with that. We have 26 triple ITs, and after that we have more than 100 GFTIs. Okay, now IT, I believe that you all know what they are. Indian Institute of Technologies, National Institute of Technology is NIT. Triple IT is Indian Institute of Information Technology. So please keep the full form in mind. And GFTI, they are government funded technical institutions. So they are colleges which are neither IIT nor NIT nor Triple IT, but they are funded by the government. You have to be very cautious with the name of a particular college, which, the abbreviation turns into Triple IT, but it is not actually a Triple IT. Triple IT are colleges which are recognized by government as institute of national importance. But there is one particular college, the name of which is International Institute of Information Technology. That is not a Triple IT, that is a GFTI, but the short form will become a Triple IT, but be careful with that. So don't select this college assuming that this is a Triple IT. Okay, so that is as far as the college is concerned. Next thing is that what are the bodies involved? So there is a joint admission board which we call as JAB. Okay, so that is one of the entities. The next one is JE Apex board. The third one is CSAB. The CSAB stands for Central Seat Allocation Board, and then JOSAA, and then NIC. So what is the role of exactly each of these? So the JAB is responsible for conduction of JE advanced examination and seat allocation to IITs. Keep in mind, so IITs keep their business different. So they have a body which overlooks the conduction of exam as well as the allocation of seat. The JE Apex board that conducts the JE main examination. Okay, then we have a CSAB, which is a different entity. CSAB is responsible for seat allocation to IIT plus system. Now, what is IIT plus system? So all the colleges that I mentioned in the previous slide, if you remove IITs from those lists, then whatever is left is called the NIT plus system. Okay, so CSAB is responsible for seat allocation to NIT plus system. It is responsible for vacant seat filling round, the last round where any seat that is vacant in any of the NIT plus system that gets filled, the supernumerary seats allocation, and the NEUT seat. Now NEUT stands for Northeastern Union Territories. So because many states in Northeast and Union Territories, they may not have an NIT associated with them. Actually, most of the states have, but most of the Union Territories, they don't have. So for those, there is a separate allocation of seat, which we call as the NEUT. Okay, JOSAA represents candidates from JAB as well as CSAB. So JOSAA is the body which oversees the seat allocation to IIT as well as NIT plus system. Okay, so that you can keep in mind. JOSAA does this because it is constituted of members from JAB and from CSAB. Okay, and finally NIC, the National Informatics Committee, that provides the technical support that is needed to conduct the entire examination. So these are the entities which are involved in conducting the entire JOSAA process.